All right, friends, we're almost at the finish line, just a small section left. We only have 3 exercises to go before we complete this course. And now, take a look. We need to learn how to add styles to a React component. When working with React, we can add styles in different ways. For example, we can assign a class and add a separate style sheet, but we can also add inline styles just like we did in HTML, but in this case with React. This also allows us to have a bit more interactivity with the styles at runtime, which can be useful to change things in real time, such as clicking a button and it turns green when it was previously blue, that kind of stuff. Just like with LearnPack. For instance, if I come here and click the run button, it turns green and even the text inside changes. This happens because it's using styles, and I can change those styles according to an object. So, let's see how we do it. To do this, we simply need to create an object and pass it instead of style. Remember that this style key is basically the same as in HTML. It's an object that contains our styles. In this case, LearnPack is asking us to set a font size of 16 pixels. Let's hit run to see how it currently looks, and we'll make some changes. We'll set the font size to 16 pixels, and we have to put it as a string, not as if it were ordinary CSS. Additionally, we'll set the background color to black, so we put background and then black in this case. Also, we'll add a solid yellow border, so we set the border property to 1px solid yellow, and let's hit the run button to see what happens. Look at the difference. It was blue before, and now it has quite different styles simply because we added inline styles. Let's hit the run test button to see what happens, to see if our code passes or not, and in this case, it all passed successfully. Congratulations, you're about to finish. You can start creating your own websites if you want. Just mix and match different components and you're set. Read a bit of the React documentation, and I assure you that you'll be able to do it. Let's move on to the next.